Question. Car A has an acceleration of 2 meter per second square due east and car B 4 meter per second square due north. What is the acceleration of car B with respect to car A? तो कार B का acceleration है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर ड्यू टू नॉर्थ और कार A का acceleration है acceleration of car B. This is acceleration of car A is 2 meter per second square due to east. Now we have to find the acceleration of B with respect to A. That will be equals to acceleration of B minus of acceleration of A. So this will be acceleration of B is 4 j cap and acceleration of A is 2 I cap. So this will be 4 j cap minus of 2 I cap. Vectorially we can represent it as this is acceleration of B, that is 4 meter per second square AB. This is minus of acceleration of A, that is 2 meter per second square, and this over here is acceleration of B with respect to A. This angle over here I am taking it as alpha. So the magnitude of acceleration of B with respect to A will be square of these 4 square plus 2 square. This will be 4 ka square is 16, 2 का square is 4. This will be 2 root of 5 meter per second square. For finding this angle alpha over here, this will be alpha equals to tan inverse of Vy by Vx. So this will be tan inverse Vy is 4 and Vx is 2. So this will come out to be tan inverse 2. So acceleration of B with respect to A will be 2 root of 5 meter per second square at an angle of tan inverse 2 from north of west. Next question. Car A and car B start moving simultaneously in the same direction along the line joining them. Car A moves with a constant acceleration A equals to 4 meter per second square, while car B moves with a constant velocity V equals to 1 meter per second. At time t equals to 0, car A is 10 meter behind car B. Find the time when car A overtakes car B. So in this question, initial velocity of car A UA is 0. Initial velocity of car B is 1 meter per second. Initial acceleration of car A is 4 meter per second square, and initial acceleration for car B is 0. So this is car A, and this is car B. Car A and car B. I am assuming car B at rest. So this is at rest. This is moving with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square, and it will have the velocity of car B in opposite direction because car B is at rest now. So it will be having a velocity initially at 1 meter per second. So I can write the velocity of car A with respect to car B because car B is at rest right now. So this will be velocity of car A minus velocity of car B. This will be 0 minus of 1, that is minus 1 meter per second. And acceleration of car A with respect to car B, this will be acceleration of A minus of acceleration of B. This will be 4 minus of 0. This will come out to be 4 meter per second square. I am applying the second equation of motion, that is S is equals to ut plus half at square for finding the time when car A overtakes car B. So this distance S between the car is given as 10 meter in the question. So the value of S will be 10. Initial velocity of car A with respect to car B, this is minus of 1 time t plus half. Acceleration of A with respect to B is 4. This is t square. On solving this, it will come out to be 2t square minus of t minus of 10 equals to 0. This will be t equals to plus 1 plus minus under root of 1 plus 80 upon 4. So the value of t will come out to be 1 plus minus of 9 by 4. Value of t will be 2.5 seconds or minus of 2 seconds. I am ignoring the negative value for the time. So the time when car A overtakes car B will be 2.5 seconds. In 2.5 seconds, car A will overtake car B. Next question. Two ships A and B are 10 km apart on a line running south to north. Ship A further north is streaming west at 20 km per hour and ship B is streaming north at 20 km per hour. What is their distance of closest approach and how long do they take to reach it? टाइम निकालना है और डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच निकालनी है. तो इसका लिए डायग्राम बना लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. तो मान लेते हैं कि ये ए है, शिप ए. ये जा रही है कुछ वी वेलोसिटी से जो कि है 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये शिप बी है जो टूवर्ड्स जा रही है नॉर्थ, कितनी 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये ए पॉइंट मान लेते हैं, ये बी पॉइंट मान लेते हैं. इन दोनों के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो दे रखी है कितनी 10 किलोमीटर दे रखी है. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम assuming A at rest. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ B विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू A कितनी आ जाएगी? वो जाएगी वेलोसिटी ऑफ B माइनस ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ A. ठीक है. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ B है 20 j कैप और वेलोसिटी ऑफ A है माइनस ऑफ 20 माइनस ऑफ I कैप. दिस विल बी 20 j कैप प्लस ऑफ 20 I कैप. ठीक है. अगर मैं वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए का मैग्नीट्यूड निकालूं तो दिस विल बी अंडर रूट ऑफ 20 स्क्वायर प्लस 20 स्क्वायर. दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 20√2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो दिस विल बी लाइक दिस. दिस इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी दैट इज 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दिस इज वेलोसिटी नेगेटिव ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए 20 kilometer per hour in this direction, and this will be velocity of B with respect to A, that is 20√2 kilometer per hour. I am assuming A at rest. ठीक है. अभी अगर मैं डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच की बात करूं तो अगर मैं A को रेस्ट पे मान ले रही हूं, ठीक है, और B के पास दो वेलोसिटीज होंगी, एक इस डायरेक्शन में कितनी 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर और एक होगी ए की वजह से इस डायरेक्शन में 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो बी कुछ ऐसे चल रहा होगा एट एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्रीज. ठीक है. तो इन दोनों की डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच कुछ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ही आएगा. ठीक है. ये वाली वेलोसिटी जो इस डायरेक्शन में है ये है वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, जो कि हम निकाल चुके हैं, कितनी है 20√2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये वाला डिस्टेंस हमें ए बी ऑलरेडी मालूम है, कितना 10 किलोमीटर. इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. जो हमारा ए सी है, ये सी पॉइंट मान लेते हैं, ए सी पॉइंट ही हमारा डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच आएगी. तो अगर मैं इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इफ आई सी, सो माई साइन 45 डिग्रीज विल बी इक्वल्स टू ए सी बाय ए बी. ओके. साइन 45 डिग्री इज 1/√2. AC is the distance of closest approach which I have to find, and AB is given as 10 kilometers. So the value of AC will be 1/√2 into 10, that is 5√2 kilometers. So the distance of closest approach between these two ships, distance of closest approach will be 5√2 kilometers. For finding the time taken to reach up to this distance, I'll take this distance AC is 5√2 kilometer per hour, and the velocity of B with respect to A is 20√2 kilometer per hour. So the time taken will be will be simply distance upon time, that is 5 root 2 upon 20 root 2. This will come out to be 1 by 4 hour. Converting it in minutes, it will be 1 by 4 into 60, that is 15 minutes. So the time taken will be 50 minutes. This is the answer. Next question. Width of a river is 30 meter. River velocity is 2 meter per second and rowing velocity is 5 meter per second. At 37 degrees from the direction of the river current, find the time taken to cross the river. B. Drift of the boatman while reaching the other shore. So these are the river banks. Velocity of river is given as 2 meter per second and velocity of boatman with respect to river, it is given as 5 meter per second at an angle of 37 degrees with the direction of river current. The width of this river is given as D equals to 30 meter. Okay, so I am making two component of this velocity. So the component in this direction, it will be VBR cos of 37 degrees, which will come out to be 5 into 4 by 5, that is 4 meter per second. Similarly, the component in this direction, it will be VBR sine of 37 degrees, that will be 3 meter per second. So the velocity that will be needed for crossing the river, it will be this velocity only. So the time taken will be, for crossing the river, it will simply be distance upon velocity, that is VBR sine of 37 degrees. D is 30 meter and VBR sine 37 degrees is 3. So this time taken will be 10 seconds by the boatman to cross the river. Okay, the drift of the boatman will be this distance from here to here, that is the horizontal distance moved by it. This is drift of the boatman. So for calculating drift, that velocity in this direction, in horizontal direction, it will be 4 plus the velocity of the river as well. So the net velocity for calculating drift, it will be 2, that is the velocity of river, as well as the velocity of boatman in this direction, that is 4. It will be 6 meter per second. Okay, and time is already given as 10 seconds. So the drift will come out to be velocity, that is VBR, that is this 6 meter per second square per second into time, that is 10. So it will be 60 meters. So the drift of the boatman will come out to be 60 meters. Next question. Width of a river is 30 meter, river velocity is 4 meter per second and rowing velocity of boatman is 5 meter per second. First question, make the velocity diagram for crossing the river in shortest time, then find this shortest time, net velocity of boatman and the drift along the river. So for question 1, I have to cross the river in shortest time. So for this, the velocity diagram will be like this. This is river, this is velocity of river, that is 4 meter per second. For crossing the river in shortest time, the net velocity of the boatman will be perpendicular to the direction of flow. So this will be 5 meter per second, like this. The width of this river is given as 30 meter. So this will be the net velocity of boatman will be like this, VB. This is net velocity of boatman. Okay, ठीक है. So T minimum will come out to be distance upon my velocity, that is 30 upon net velocity is 5 in this direction. So this will be 6 seconds for shortest time period. For shortest time, this is the shortest time taken. Drift will be, this is, if this is point A, this is B, and if this is point C, so the distance from this to this will be the drift of the boatman. So drift BC will be velocity in the direction of drift, that is VR, that is 4 into time taken, that is 6 seconds. So this will be 24 meter. ठीक है. For calculating the net velocity of the boatman, this angle over here I am taking it as theta. So the net velocity of boatman, that is VB. VB will be square of these two velocities in y direction and in x direction for the boatman. So this will be 5 square plus 4 square. So this will come out to be under root of 25 plus 16, that is under root of 41 meter per second. Value for calculating the value of theta. So tan theta will be 5 by 4. So theta will be equals to 10 inverse 5 by 4. So the net velocity of boatman VB will be under root of 41 meter per second at an angle theta equals to 10 inverse 5 by 4 from the direction of flow of river, from direction of river current, Answer for the first part. Now the next part of the question. Can the boatman reach a point just opposite on the other shore? If yes, then make the velocity diagram, the direction in which he should row his boat, and the time taken to cross the river in this case. So for this case, I know that the value of VBR is equals to 5 meter per second and the velocity of river is given as 4 meter per second. So since VBR is greater than velocity of the river, so this case is possible. So ये कुछ ऐसा है कि बोटमैन को क्या होना चाहिए, जो नेट वेलोसिटी आनी चाहिए अपोजिट पॉइंट पे पहुंचना है, इसके जस्ट अपोजिट पॉइंट पे पहुंचनी है, तो नेट वेलोसिटी जो आनी चाहिए वो कुछ इस डायरेक्शन में आनी चाहिए. वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर ऑलरेडी कितनी दे रखी है, इस डायरेक्शन में दे रखी है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोटमैन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रिवर कुछ ऐसी होगी. वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोटमैन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रिवर होगी कुछ इस डायरेक्शन में 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ताकि नेट वेलोसिटी किस डायरेक्शन में है, इस डायरेक्शन में है. अब ये वाली जो डिस्टेंस है दिस इज 30 मीटर विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. So the velocity, net velocity of the boatman will come out to be 5 square minus of 4 square, that is 25 minus of 16, which will come out to be 3 meter per second. For calculating this angle theta over here, this will be sin theta is equals to 4 by 5. So theta will come out to be sin inverse 4 by 5, that is 53 degrees. So this angle theta over here is 53 degrees. So the time taken by him to reach this opposite point on the bank, this will be time taken will be this distance 30 and the net velocity in this direction, that is 3. So the time taken will come out to be 10 seconds. Next part of the question. How long will it take him to row 10 meter up the stream and then back to his starting point? तो पहले अपस्ट्रीम जाना है, इसका मतलब वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर अगर इस डायरेक्शन में है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोटमैन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रिवर कितनी होनी चाहिए, ये है हमारी अपस्ट्रीम के लिए केस. ठीक है, तो ये होनी चाहिए इस डायरेक्शन में. वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोटमैन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रिवर कितनी है 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, कुछ इस डायरेक्शन में. अपस्ट्रीम जाके फिर दोबारा डाउन स्ट्रीम लौटता है, तो अगर वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर इस बार इस डायरेक्शन में है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो इस बार वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोटमैन भी क्या होगी, इसी डायरेक्शन में होगी. कितनी, VBR इक्वल्स टू 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो इस केस में क्या होंगी, वेलोसिटी सबट्रैक्ट होंगी, इसमें ऐड होंगी. तो अगर यहाँ पे टाइम निकालेंगे तो अभी क्या है टोटल डिस्टेंस 10. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन वेलोसिटी कितनी हो जाएगी 5 माइनस ऑफ 4 टाइम इन दिस केस. एंड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग टाइम इन दिस केस इट विल बी टोटल डिस्टेंस दैट इज 10. नाउ इट इज रिटर्निंग दैट इज 5 प्लस 4. सो टोटल टाइम टेकन will be 10 by 5 minus of 4 plus 10 by 5 plus of 4. Okay, so this will be 10 by 1 plus 10 5 6 7 8 9 10 by 9. So this will come out to be 90 plus 10 by 9, that is 100 by 9 seconds. These are the answers. Thank you so much.